Hi, this is Johannes. I'm the developer of Super Productivity. And today I would like to show you the app. This is the main window. You can see I'm currently having a lot of trouble to make this video. It's a totally new area to me, and I don't know how many times I recorded, but yeah, let's not focus on that. Let's focus on the app. First of all, maybe let's create a new project to demonstrate app snap. Let's use blue, like blue, because it looks very nice, and the dark theme. And now we created the project, we can switch to it. And the first thing you can see is this bar where you can enter new tasks, some other task. Then you can click ready to work, and then you see this task has a blue background now. This is to highlight that this is a task where you're currently tracking your time to. You also can see, like here up ahead, there's a button which is pink while you're tracking time. You can press it, then you stop tracking time, you can press it again, and then the last active task will be tracked again. You can also use these buttons, like to stop tracking, or this one to switch to another task for tracking. That's very basic stuff. You can also add time estimates, like for example, let's say I need 3 hours for this, and I need to 55 minutes for the other one. Let's add some more tasks. Oh my god, more. And what you can also do is to create subtasks, subtask, and another one. And you can also, another feature is, like, you can use this short syntax. You enter blah 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 blah, and then you can just simply type 2 hours, and then you see, like here, 2 hours are estimated for this task. And also up ahead, like the parent task of the subtask also has like the total estimate. So when I add another hour here, see, it's 3 hours total estimate for this big task. You can, once you're done with the task, you press this little check mark. You can also revert and mark a task as done. There's also like a notes feature. You can add information to a task. Hello, never forget. And add some attachments. For example, do you have a good picture? Can add here to this main task. Saving an image. Now it's showing as attachment. Can look into it. Once I'm done, I can click finish working, and you come to this page and take a moment to celebrate, because it's important. You can see, like, when you started, when you ended, the task you completed, time you spent, and the time you had estimated for everything, and also like the breaks you had. And there's this little evaluation sheet. Just if you want to think a little bit about the day and what you maybe can improve tomorrow, then you can use that. There's also this overview of tasks you did. You can directly edit the time spent for the tasks. You can also, what's nice, I think, round the time, because usually you don't want to spend a minute or something on a task, but something more substantial, like let's say half an hour, and so there you go, everything is rounded up. And you can also export the task list. This is CSV, this is how it looks like, and hopefully integrated or added to your company's time tracking system if there is such a thing. And there's also an overview for the week. You can see this week I only worked Friday on this project because I just created this project this Friday. And you can also export the data to Google, to a Google spreadsheet if you want. And also here you have the option to export everything. That are the very basic features, but there's more. There's also like this project bookmark bar, where you can add like web links, for example. You can also add them via drag and drop. What shall we add it? Maybe GitHub, because why not? And add it here, drop it. See GitHub link. You can also choose an icon. Let's go with a little airplane. And then you have this one here. You can also add not only links, but you can also add files. So maybe I just do this via drag and drop. Where do I have a file? For example, what would be a good one? Let's have this one. Movies filmer. You see, like, oh, there it's located. Can also add an icon, and then I'm going to press on it. Directly opens the file. Also you can start applications from here. You can do that by choosing command, and then you can enter a command, but that's probably for the more advanced users. That's the bookmark bar, the global bookmark bar. But there's also a notes feature, a little bigger. For example, my colleague Brandon, this is not really a task, but something I want to be reminded about is to tell Brandon to shut up. Shut up. Yes, and I also can set a reminder in 15 minutes. And there's also full markdown support, so I can do this and that and what we blah. And maybe this is also interesting. There's a backlog for tasks you don't want to do now, but maybe tomorrow. You can drag them down and have it here, so out of the way. And you can see once you've done all tasks, you can either add more tasks and then work on them, or you can finish. Yes, what's more, here, this is the main bar. You can add a new task. If you want, you can also press Shift and A, and this opens. I can toggle the nodes. Currently we don't have any tasks, so we can't do this. We can switch projects. We can go to the work log. The work log is just basically all tasks we did before. And then there's metrics, if you like such stuff, like how much time you spend in total, how much time per day, and those kind of things. And also, like, this is connected to the evaluation sheet at the end of the day if you want to use it. Like, yeah, there's also statistics about that. Maybe one little feature more to talk about is the help me, I'm procrastinating feature. This is sometimes pretty useful, I think. There's not so much going on, it's just some information, some exercise you can do. It's yeah, scientifically based on science. Yeah, don't know, might not be for everybody, but you can check it out. And then what else we got? Yeah, maybe I can show you the settings page. There's, you can change the project settings. For example, I can go change the theme to light and do some pink. Let's go back, and you can integrate Git, like so. The Git issues won't show up in when creating a task, so I can directly import it. Same goes for Jira, which I find pretty useful because, like most companies I work for, they work with Jira, and so I just easily can copy over the data from a task there and then create some subtasks locally for it. So that's nice. And then there's also like some miscellaneous settings, like for example there's the idle time handling, which is nice. This is when you go away from the computer and there you don't touch the mouse and don't enter something with your keyboard, then a dialog will appear, like how much time you were away from your keyboard, from your computer, and so you can decide what to do with this time, like to track it to a task you worked on, or create a new task. So this so it's always like handy, because even if you spend a lot of time at your computer, you probably won't spend all of your time at the computer. Then there's also this little take a break reminder, because breaks are important, I think. And sometimes, like when I'm really focused on something or a little bit stressed out, and then I sometimes forget to take a break, and I think this for me it's also useful. You can configure every keyboard short, but there are some of those, and then you can enable Pomodoro, which I like. Let's go to this project, enable Pomodoro, and then you see you have like 25 minutes. So when you're ready for the next session, we add a task first. Then you see like session is running, and you can skip to the next session if you want. And there's even a little sound, and then you can take the break, and if you're done with that, continue working, and gives you an info on which session you are. You can also skip quickly through, and you can see there's also a longer break. Nice. What's more, you can sync to Google Drive, which I find handy, because like I can sync data this way to my work computer, but also like to my mobile phone, because the app works in my on my phone as well as on my PC. Then I can also show you that there is the web version, which works just as nicely as the desktop version. And takes some time to load. Let's see the application. Almost everything is the same. I switched to dark theme because, like, the video recording setting, I figured that it doesn't look so great with the white theme, but it's a little bit different in reality. So so here you've got all the same stuff, and so if you're at your company, for example, and allowed to install software, you can use Super Productivity also from the browser. Did I forget something? No, I don't think so. For now, that should be enough. Like, if you have any questions, anything you don't understand, or any suggestions what features you're missing, then please let me know. You can write in the comments down below this video, or you can go to the GitHub page and there you see issues, and then you can write down, oh, I'm not looking, whatever, but you can write me something there. Yeah, so thank you everybody for your time. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, and yeah, see you next time, I suppose. Bye.